The main use for bill pay is of course to pay bills, but there are quite a few additional features available in bill pay. Preview those features by selecting the icons below, or select them directly on the bill pay homepage image. There are multiple features within the Manage menu. Select each item from the menu to learn more. The Accounts page allows users to update which account is the default funding account. They can also add, edit, or delete a funding account, but depending on your bill pay service vendor, the user may also need to validate newly added accounts. Select Add Account below. In this video, I'll show you how to manage e-bills. Payees that are eligible for e-bill service In this short video, we'll explore how to view and search for payments in the bill payment platform.